Alright, Sports Card Rage here. Um, I'm here to do the Leaf draft, Leaf Metal draft 2011 that y'all purchased on eBay. Alright, and then I have a number on this, one of those fancy little tags, so let's get right to it, I guess. It's 4 cards. Every card is autographed, and they're just of 2011 rookies. Here we go. Ooh. Got the seals they have. Alright, here we go. First card is... I'll take them out of the box. Empty box. First card is Jamie Harper. I believe he's on the Titans. I'll have to check that. The next one is Dwayne Harris. I'm not sure which team he's on. Let's look. Next one, DJ Williams of the Green Bay Packers. And the final card is a blue version of the Torrey Smith. I have no idea which team he's on. That's a 12 out of 25, though. Can't really see with the glare, but alright. Well, simple box to do. 4 cards only, so that's the end of the break. Alright. I'll send these out today to the winners, and hope you all enjoyed it. Have a nice day.